To add templates to your book creator, start by selecting your library. Once your library is selected, add a new book. Here, you can choose from blank books or comic books, but there's also an option for templates. When you select templates, you're given a bunch of basic options or different themes. The themes include all of the colors that would match, so let's go ahead and try this retro theme. When I select my theme, it has things that are already in there, but you can see they're locked here, so I can't move them. I need to right-click and go to the bottom to unlock. Once I've unlocked, I can double-click on the words, and here I can change whatever I want. Let's make this game. And then we have to unlock theme again. Double-click on that, and let's change that to ideas. Select done, and now you can see I've updated my template. Now that I've updated the front page of my template, let's go ahead and check another page. You can see that a format has already been established with pictures and words that I can edit, or I can use the plus button to add my own pieces into my project. Once I'm done, you can see my book here is right in my library.